finally see some homie. We have much to discuss. I know, you're confused. I'm your large pal. Well, the future large pal for you. I'll be quick, because it's not the first time I'm doing this. Well, it might sound weird, but the leader of this community toilets for now is not even a toilet. It's a purple woman. At this time, she will attack our base soon. Everyone leaves, our chief stays, and he actually managed to defeat the purple lady. Well, the problem is that she escapes after, teleported with the device on her hand. You know, before you, I asked Clockwoman to use her gun at the moment. Before Clockwoman, I asked the buff guy to destroy that purple device so she couldn't escape. And before the buff guy, when it happened for the first time, I used my last strength and sacrificed myself. The first try cost all my friends just to revive me. The second try failed worse than I could even imagine. And the third try was ridiculously interrupted by some clocks in a white suit and a talking toilet that I've never seen any of them in my whole life. I could try more. But I'm afraid as long as I'm stuck in this loop, I might reach to my limits eventually. But I believe you can change everything. Before Chief starts using his powers, you must kill him. If that lady escapes, she will hunt down every last clock. And after terminating us, she'll go for the rest. But if you kill our leader right in front of her eyes, the least thing she does is forgetting about us for a while, putting her mind at ease. And that's what we exactly need, having enough time to fully revive our Titan. She has a counter-Titan! That thing will slaughter all the other Titans. I've seen it. We need our Titan back soon. Even if that means we have to sacrifice our strongest. Our leader. I know you'd say that. I could ask others for this, but there's no surprising Chief when he already knows what's gonna happen 10 seconds later. However, you have the ability to block other clocks with powers, just with pressing that watch on your arm. Almost a useless ability against the toilets. But for such a situation, it can change everything. The blocking is temporary, but it provides enough time for you to do the job. I know. I'm sorry. But in that case, I'm not asking anymore. In the right time, and in the right place, you will do the right thing. Lock the clock.